Everyone talks about Bitcoin mining making money, but almost nobody explains how it actually does. And today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how mining operations like ours generate real revenue, not theory, real numbers from our actual facilities. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand what Bitcoin mining actually is. Think of the Bitcoin network as a massive, decentralized ledger. Every time someone makes a Bitcoin transaction, it needs to be verified and reported, and that's where miners come in. Our mining machines are essentially specialized computers that complete the process and verify these transactions. When we successfully verify a block of transactions, we're rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. This happens approximately every 10 minutes, and right now, each block rewards 3.125 Bitcoin plus transaction fees, currently worth hundreds of thousands of dollars every time that ledger is updated. So here are the three ways that most miners, including us, make money at our main facilities. The first and most obvious way that we make money is through direct Bitcoin production. Every single day, our mining machines are working 24/7 to verify transactions and earn these block rewards. And here's what that actually looks like. A single high-efficiency mining machine running 24/7 might generate about $20 to $30 worth of Bitcoin per day at current prices, and only cost about $10 a day to run. Multiply that by hundreds or thousands of machines in an industrial facility, and that's how operations like ours generate significant daily revenue. The second way, which most people miss, is power arbitrage. Large-scale miners don't pay retail electricity rates. We actually negotiate directly with power companies and often pay a fraction of what you would pay to use electricity at home. Even better, through different kinds of incentive programs, we can power down our machines during peak demand and actually sell our electrical capacity back to the grid at premium prices. This means we're not just mining Bitcoin, we're actually helping to stabilize the power grid while creating another revenue stream and getting paid for the service. The third revenue stream, and the most direct way that we help other miners, comes from professional colocation and hosting services. We've built industrial-grade facilities with direct power connections, advanced cooling systems, and 24/7 monitoring and security. And it turns out this infrastructure and that service is very valuable. We lease space, power, and management services to other miners who want professional-grade facilities without building their own and taking on another job. They pay us monthly fees for hosting their machines, providing us with stable, predictable revenue regardless of Bitcoin's price. Plus, they get to mine Bitcoin at a discount passively through professionally managed services. These aren't theoretical concepts. At Abundant Mines, we've implemented all three of these strategies across our operations. And last month alone, the facility that I'm picturing here generated over $100,000 in revenue through these combined approaches. If you want to learn more about how to get involved with professional Bitcoin mining operations like ours, I have two ways that you can take action right now. First, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, because we release new mining insights every week, and we want to make sure that even if you never work with us, you have a valuable partner in this space. Second, head over to abundantmines.com, MINES, and set up a call to speak with my team. You can also follow us at Abundant Mines on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates and behind-the-scenes looks at our operations. Message us the word passive, and we'll help you set up your own personalized strategy for getting into mining. And if you found this valuable, please check out our other videos with deeper dives on mining profitability, and I'll link one right here, or wherever the videos go. Remember, in Bitcoin mining, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.